Abusia ye brab pani baako ye OLa Michel wo ye OKFM ya ai OKFM ne one ye Akwasi Aboagye enya banta kakra bi ai ewo ye Akosua Serwaa judgment court nsensem course no ya omaka ho asem onya ho banta bi ya tese we ntwoma we su ntwoma we eso bi a che na dwama na kwakoye tese yima menye mate ase ai nti yɛntena se din na yɛnkone nkuti mu nsɛm mese saa Akosua Serwaa no lumba asem ho sɛ wo yɛ obi na wo ka bi wo yɛ panimu wo manwe mu sɛ wo yɛ wo hene sɛ wo ti akonya so sɛ wo yɛ hwan wo yɛ pani bi na wo ka bi a wo ha obisi aka asem na kosi because wo ka no wan ka ne yie wonya asɛm wo ka asɛm na wo ka tia no wan ka ne wonya asɛm Ghana ha yɛ nokure yɛ one sɛ obi a wawade eye sesebio wo hu sanipa na ware na wo di ni kunachi wabre ni kun ni njaye eye we ne duabom pa wiase da no duabom pa wiase da wanyi obi obesikete na se me be ma me de be me kase me nyi de odobroni boni aye da me nyi odobroni boni aye sebe that time na papa ne nam no papa na adwene so kyen akwara no sebe ma ne bia adwene esai ene ma e kan ma akwa adwen sen de obeka ma obabo ntiko bibiri nti me blemu akwa papa na me blemu no lumba ne blemu no lumba na me blemu wona akoso sa meska si we nyina wakoso nsem bebre we nyina nti me blemu Akosua Serwaa me blemu odobroni because aye den de wona na wo ma wa wo de nsia nsompo ba ko firi mu enye ize na awo kura me yenu miensa kura yesai no wa wonsia nti me blemu aga no da wa ye na fam de nyame so adwuma wa ye bi sebe papa ne ye yare ye no wa hwe no na odi afiri mu owo kura de nkwanti menye nti me nka se ge na anya de na wa ye sei fon so woni pa ho so wa ye mistake so wonye mistake ata me na me ni hobi me ni nkoma lumba ne di ye nti abusia me pesa wo de ye ntwa so ne yenkonkotie eye OLa Michel ne Akwasi Aboagye nsensem no yenkonkotie mra sisi a yenkonkotie mra ya
I am not unnecessarily attacking you.
Okay.
Yes, but I'm using you as a reference point.
Oh, okay.
And I'm saying that we have that benefit. You are sitting in the microphone there. We can say, so I'm just saying that. But we should be careful about what you want to say about that. The impression we create about the judge, the court, the judiciary.
Okay.
That is all that I'm saying.
Okay.
Apart from that, I don't have any problem as to what anybody wants to say.
Okay.
But when we want to say things about Miami way, people are doing almost ruining here. People are and because you see when we hear past sentiments like this, that is what also fuels or like emboldening people to think that judge, one year judge and yet this that and and I've listened to interview. I'm sure that Michel was some of them. The interview that Lawyer Kusi himself did with Dazi TV after the judgment had come out.
Yeah, I have it here.
The judge has said something that Lawyer Kusi himself even claimed it. The judge has been tuned on his integrity. Because the judge more or less past comment that suggests that Makoyo Kululu na mayeno, and so mean someone them. So the man himself, he was sad when he was saying that thing. You could see from his demeanor, said, for me to practice for like 20 years plus, for the judge to impute, and it is incumbent on Lawyer Kusi himself to push why the judge is making, because the judge, the reportage said, the judge says, because you said, okay, be about these signatures. Reportage Amati, so far, even the judge made comment about the fact that there is one Richard Opare Staffo who verified the signatures of a document purposely was parading. The judge made comment and said that that person who even verified that document is not authorized to do what he did. All these things are important things that we should investigate. Say, if the judge made the comment like this, is it true? Why? Because those things are borders on criminality. They were trying a civil matter. You don't make civil and criminal matters. This is a civil forum. When the judge.
But wait, sorry, I think said the okay, it will also be important. See about Chama ruling. Na Bania said it was captured in her ruling, and I said BBC na.
No, I'm just saying that OLa.
Can the issue with the lawyer Kusika say judge ne say Omakwe Kululu be near Deno, and even the judge also saying say
What you me here? Me say. And here been a maker. That's why I'm saying that I made reference. I referred to the interview.
Yeah.
Let's say, Konako interview done this TV after the judgment.
I have it here. My name is here.
Yes. And if you have watched it closely, what I'm saying is that by inference, say all say judge made that comment impugn on his character, integrity. And I'm in America.
Yeah.
So I'm saying that it suggests that Makwako Kululu. That is what I'm just explaining.
Okay.
I didn't say that the judge said that in the
Mr. Akosua Aboagye na Motene Kano. I'm not you were talking. And I make me say na be my business
drive. Why?
My family
don't go drive. I'm the time to go.
Me ba book ne the
family book.
More French Duchombo di familia.
Oh, where is the book?
Okay, so who should book him? Your
friend Stambuk the family.
The family.
Stambuk the family.
Yeah.
This is the book. Every day blue, every day red.
Every day green.
Yes.
But it depends. Where free progress.
Germany.
Where Germany?
Yes.
And I'm a birth certificate.
Birth certificate. The birth certificate.
It's all in the book.
Papa. Ni signature and then the birth certificate.
Of course.
What else here? The Odobro lawyer lady no. After the whole verdict, and also shared the reason why they didn't accept the certificate, saying they were supposed to translate it, blah blah, everything that they asked for. I am asking the lawyers of Akosua Serwaa. So I'm also saying that I was no. Knowing say, wouldn't say or you ukunu, when divorce, whatever they are asking, do it and go and appeal. They should go and appeal, and then whichever translation they said they should go and translate it and bring it. And then they should also learn that there is no signature on anybody in Germany's. There is no signature on anybody in Germany's marriage certificate. There is signature on that sono. And we are buying her. And also, one come where they say obi obi. I tell you, Papa, hey, are you one that will be a everybody that was at the wedding of Odobroni and then. If you're wearing Obia ewu. Ha. Hey. Everybody don't die.
Oh, said that the lumba no ye superstar no penny padodo.
It is no pano mba no bia ewu.
Omo nyina ni adaje omada.
Yes, omo ewu.
Da bi o ye no ye you. Abusu apanyini e de no ka o.
I say obia ewu e.
Respect to the what do you call it? The entire say or den sabe fi a oba begu aware no.
Omo wo obi na obi ewu.
Omo wo ne omo ka kire no bebre na ewu. Aka ya ba ya. Ya ba ya.
When there is a video of Akosua Serwaa and Daddy Lumbe's marriage in Germany happening, I don't know why they didn't even present that in court. But I am asking the team to do better. And like you said, lawyer Ronja, like the talking is too much. At this point, I'm partner now. Can I'm going to Akusiapia. On the way to I.
Oh, Kusiapia better.
Kusiapia were here.
The Kusiapia cry and you cry a lawyer Jumo. Dennis.
I think they should they should go and regroup. Do their because in this case, even heaven and earth attest to the fact that she is the wife. And then now maybe them person business say bigamy no to be found in Germany and if I call assembly court.
For bigamy, the person is no longer alive.
Maybe it's like so or Germany or
no.
Or dependent.
Yinja go say be an almost strategy. Say you move on step by step.
And also I have one.
But the point is that so long as Daddy Lumba was a German citizen, nothing being done will affect him. Or no dogo ni Korano. Omo secured. You be antimi say Japadio saying you are secured.
Yeah.
Because Daddy Lumba and omo kwa koye in Korano passport your money e DNA.
Yeah. Inti uncle citizen ni na.
Pacho me source James and kwada phone or ye omo ye mom.
Yeah.
Me de minimum about 6.
Because me allegedly about something anyway.
Pacho me de minimum.
Me can't hear me see anyway.
Eti me de me catch almost say a be or ye previous two no ye na nyom na ye man. Me de me almost say 4 na me. Anyway, nti wo susu a wo tie no me ma akwan wo so brem. And then me say wo so bebem.
And I have one last thing to say.
We are no answer for that.
To Daddy Lumbe's friend. The one who went to stand behind the gate, I am bien no. Me pese me bo udin. Wa wunim. Usi ukojina gate yachi. Ubo mu ye miewu. Unam kwan so uko 2 hours in the floor say we free mu. If you know this and he was your friend and you are quiet, you to God is what.
Abusian eye OLa ene eye Akwasi Aboagye issue na enkomo na e kuti bae no. Sometimes so ye panimu na wo my resim. Se na me di aka no. Me di aka no say. Asem we say nda ho no ho. Aye bese paniko na haba ye tase ne banyansafo. Se wo ka asem bi na asem na wo ka no wan to obu ase. Ana wan hwa ase ne mu ye wan hu obi a wo ka akosi. Na wo tia no pe. Se ne obusi ye di kwatem won tentafi no so ho. Nye binye. Time bia obi on hu se ba study nkofu bo mu ka asem na obi e very careful na some ka ho. A lawyer for bi kra cheche mo mu ha mu ka ho asem isifa. Ti besre ye nyina obi en hu etan obi a wasase so. Ye nyina e Ghana npo ba akopɛ. Ye mu ye ndo ye ho. Wotimi wakame we sei ne bi okoso na nya mu se we de nye. Enya temidi o. Se obedi obenia di nipa na tem. Wobere nipa na wonim ne da. Minim odogbu ni da. Minim Akosua Serwaa da. Enti se me fafon na me tenase na me di atam na me kan semani kwa se me kache odogbu ni me kan semani kwa se me kache sebio Akosua Serwaa ma Akosua Serwaa na ma bere nyame. Ese minim nyanze anteteme. Enti wona etententa afide so mu die omu ti asem bi mu se mu hwem no mu di atam no ma fo bi eso we ma mi eso no mu di atam we say hey me no wonya adwe da zim se me ni watem. Yes, I mistake in that. Se me no wonya adwe that doesn't kire se me kwa kumindi watem da. Me ni watem da. Cause me ni mabusunya ofrim. Minim tumi edu wachi. Abra boye bokre we mu kan emu ye hia hu ano na ye bra ye timu ye twife ye bu ni bi ni. Ma sa be kasa tia wo. Never how do that. The mesre abusunyafo Ghana fo ye nyina wo yenka wo yenye baako. Yen support the right thing. Wo yen support se emra. Say ye Ghana ye service ye judicial service na say ye hwe ne ye. Nyeni ma bibia se ye bia wo se to no. To pepe na judgment eba ama sabio afen obi ahu se we ye se ya emwa ye tie Supreme Court beto wo man se sabio wo ye ajapade be ma na okuru ye ajapade na se wo ba wan contribute osika mu bi na be ma na ye bibia si wie na kan so wo wale won watena sentia wade mu gyaye a entu enchem fama ye enchem ye ma wo court se wonye sabio because wan contribute osika mu wan contribute bibi mu de na tie se wo ye bibi the show evidence for court. You know, Tirabusia, me here in every who ye na ye kasa sui. I want interview to continue. Be a bit to know could do no. And ye papa and family. But I was very brave.